Shopfox W1680 1 horsepower 17-inch floor model drill press. Motor size, 1 HP, 1720 RPM. Switch, toggle type. Spindle travel, 3-1/4 inch. Accepts 5/8 inch drill chuck. Built-in 110V light socket. Motor size, 1 HP, 1720 RPM. Voltage, 110V. Switch, toggle type. Built-in light socket. Overall height, 65-1/2 inches. Spindle travel, 3-1/4 inch. Number of speeds, 12. Drill chuck, 5/8 inch. Spindle taper, MT number 3. Range of speeds, 140 to 3050 RPM. Swing, 17 inch. Drilling capacity, 1 inch steel. Features. Table, precision ground cast iron. Table size, 14 inch dia. Approximate shipping weight, 200 pounds.